Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I got a new set of cutoff wheels, 4.5 inch cutoff wheels I got from Amazon. Let's see what they're about. I'm going to open these up and we can compare them to the Avanti Pro 4.5 inch cutoff wheel that I got. So let's open these up and see what they look like. Alright, so I got this 3-pack over here. This is what it looks like. Let's turn on some more lights. Alright, so I got this 3-pack. This is what it looks like. Contractor pack, 3-pack. Comes with 3 different blades, so let's see how these are going to cut. I'm going to use these on my granite 1/2 inch tile, so you guys will be able to see how it is cutting granite. That's all I got to cut right now, so that's what you're going to get to see. So this is what the back looks like as well. So that's it. And I'm going to cut these open in a bit, and we'll see what these look like, and we can compare these up. Let's see. So this is what it looks like up close. It's called an RDK 4.5 inch, and this is what the Avanti Pro looks like right next to it. I used the Avanti Pro about maybe 8 times so far, so it's not that old, but this is kind of what it looks like. Match them up. They got the same exact size hole. Yep, same exact size hole. They are the same exact size. So that's kind of what it looks like. So alright, so that's just an update on that to see what those look like. And then I'll show you in the next part what it is, how the cut looks and what it looks like in granite tile. Alright, thank you everybody for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.